Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of the SeekerMaker magnetic USB-C cable for MacBook Pro. That's what they have it listed as on Amazon. As you can see, this is clearly not a cable, but it is for your USB-C cable, which we will go over in a minute. So, jumping straight into the box here, there's not much inside. You get a piece of yellow cardboard paper. You get some Chinese literature. And some more Chinese literature. Some product advertisements. And some QR codes if you guys want to scan those real quick and see what they're all about. But with the packaging material out of the way, let's open up this little bit of plastic and take a look at the product itself. As you can see, there are two pieces. There is a larger one that goes on the end of your USB-C cable, and it has some pins here. And the second piece is just a USB-C head that has 5 contact pins in the same arrangement as the larger piece. Now, if you own the 12-inch MacBook or a MacBook Pro, you will know that there is no MagSafe, and if you have experienced MagSafe on an older MacBook Air or MacBook Pro like I have, it's kind of disappointing that it's not there. And what this product aims to do is fix that. As you can see, it attracts magnetically, and what you do is you take your USB-C cable for your MacBook and you simply just stick it on. And it gives you the L shape that you had on older MagSafe plugs. And this allows for you to be able to hide this behind your desk, do a bit of cable management, get it out of the way. And because it is USB-C, as MagSafe was, it is reversible, so you can plug it in both ways. So I have my MacBook over here. You can take the USB-C head and plug it into any USB-C port on your MacBook. I can plug it into this one, or this one, or either of the two on the other side if you have a MacBook that supports this. And while acting as a magnetic head, it also acts as a dust plug, so nothing's going to get in that port that you put this in so long as you leave it there. To demonstrate how this works, I'm going to plug it in. As you can see, I have the head plugged into my MacBook already. I'm just going to plug it in. As you can hear, it starts charging the MacBook. And this works for any port that you have, like I just said. And you can also take it and flip it around, and it's still charging. Now, the whole point of this product is to be like MagSafe for USB cables. So if I take it and I yank it, it doesn't bring the MacBook with it. And I just reattach it and it starts charging. So this is especially good if you are someone that absolutely loves MagSafe, and that's probably one of the reasons that you're not upgrading to a newer MacBook, is because there's no MagSafe, and maybe you're a klutz and you leave cables everywhere and you trip on it and you don't want your $1,300 to $4,200 computer going flying across the room with you. So if you're someone like me, you just love the simplicity of magnetic charging. Now, this isn't just for MacBooks. This can be used on the Google Pixel Book, the Chromebook Pixel, Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, Note 8, really any device that supports USB-C charging. So any tablet, notebook, Ultrabook, phone. Some external battery banks use USB-C to charge. This would work fine with it. And because it's USB-C and it is reversible, it really doesn't matter what side of the cable you plug it into. So I'm going to plug it into one side, unplug it, flip it around, it still works. You can plug it in to the other end of the USB cable, plug it in like that, and it still works. As you can see, I have attached my Bandito Blue aluminum mini dock to my MacBook, and this magnetic USB-C head also works through docks. So if you have a USB-C hub, be it attached or not, and you plug it into the power port on that hub, and you just take that hub and cable with you, you're all set to charge your MacBook or Pixelbook or whatever you may have with magnetic charging. Now, I've had this little guy since just after Thanksgiving. SeekerMaker sent it out to me, so big shout out to them. And I've been purposely waiting this long to review it. I've wanted to use it to its full potential, get to know the product, and sometimes even purposely trip over my cable just to make sure that it works in real life scenarios. And it has. It's held up since then. It is January 18th that I'm recording this. I've been using it for almost 2 months now, and I've loved every moment of it because it's so simple. It's as simple as that. You take it, boom, you're charging. It's that simple. You can buy products like this on Amazon for about 20-ish bucks. This one comes in at $20.50 at the time I'm recording this. And for those of you that feel like you're going to lose something like this, they do make magnetic cables. So instead of this coming off, this is part of the cable, and all that comes off is this, and you just put it into your device and you don't have to worry about it. Would definitely recommend this to someone that might be a little clumsy or might trip on cables, or someone that just enjoys doing this. Enjoys playing with magnets. There you guys have it. That's my unboxing and review of the SeekerMaker magnetic USB-C adapter. 100% would recommend this because it's so simple. As always, I'll have a link to buy this product on Amazon in the description. If you like this kind of video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as well as turn on notifications so that way you get updated whenever I upload another video. And until the next video, guys, goodbye.